What is up, everyone, and welcome back to Abrams Reacts. We are here tonight with a new reaction video. A band called Nerv, which I've listened to a little bit, just dropped a new single called Bad Nature, and we're going to go ahead and check it out. I've listened to a little bit of Nerv. They've dropped a couple songs back when I was in high school, so I listened to some of that. They dropped an EP back in 2018. I like their sound. Their sound is really right up my alley. They've got the heavy guitars, really solid drums, and the vocals are mixed really well. They sound really good on the ears, and they match the style of rock and like alt rock that they're going for. Um, so I really like their sound. I'm excited for this. There's a music video. I didn't realize that there was one. So we're gonna go ahead. I have not heard this yet. If it matches any of their sounds from like the other songs that I listened to that I liked from them, then it's definitely gonna be, a good one. The song that got me hooked on them was really kind of like their first single, I guess, which was Enough back in 2017. That's kind of what got me into them. Um, they haven't dropped a ton of music, but when they do, it's usually a banger. So this is Bad Nature. I'm assuming this one's going to be really good. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get into it. Nerve, Bad Nature. Let's go. I don't want to pause it yet. That's what I'm saying. That's what I was just trying to explain. The way it's mixed, the way the guitars sound and they're meshed together is such a good sound, and it's already seeming like it's going to kind of match their vibes from their other tracks. And the vocals, top notch as always. Getting a Discord notification right now, but yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna run that back because that was so good, so good. I like the way the hi-hat sounds. Oh, that's it. Little breakdown. The end of the chorus. Okay. Those guitars. Ooh. Okay. All right. First verse and chorus down. It's a lot like their other tracks. So if you're jamming out, you're rocking with this like I am, you're gonna like their other stuff. It sounds a lot like their formula, and it's going well. Vocals are really good. I like how they're different in the second half of the chorus. It kind of like dips down to almost like a more like mellow type, um, vocal mix. But the guitars, the bass, the drums, they're still going like they were at the start of the chorus. So that's really nice. That's a cool effect, and it's definitely working. Um, Vocals are on point, and guitars, I really love the way that they mix the guitars and the bass in their songs. It just like it sounds so good on headset, on earbuds, whatever you've got. Yeah, I'm banging with this. This is nice, bro. Let's keep going. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I like his voice a lot. Oh yeah. This is what I'm talking about. I like that tone his voice down there. I like that effect between both earphones. Oh, his voice, bro. His voice is so good. It's so good, man. I gotta run that whole section back. That was absolutely incredible, man. I don't know. His voice is it's so good, and it's like I don't know for their style and for like the way they mix their tracks. His voice is like it's like the perfect fit. This is so good. This is so good. I'll run that back. Bad nature. I like this part. It's chill. It's so good. That's so good. Alright, got the bridge. Is there gonna be a build up and then a big breakdown? No? Oh, okay. Right into the final chorus. Ooh. Okay. I like this part a lot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So good. Nice little breakdown to end it. And these guitar riffs. Oh, we're not done. There's not another breakdown, is there? Oh no. Damn, I thought it was gonna build up for another breakdown there. Bro, this is really, really good. The guitar riffs at the end. So good, man. This one's going in the playlist for sure. I'm running that last part back because those guitars, it's just it sounds and feels so good on the ears, you know? Ooh. There's like a vocal effect there when is there? There is. That's cool. These guitars. Yeah, man. I am banging with this track. This one's going in the playlist for sure. That's Nerve. If like I said before, if you guys are rocking with this track, you like this sound and this type of music, go out and check some of their other stuff because, you know, this is their formula, like I said, this is their sound and this is fantastic. This one's going in the playlist for sure. So, thank you guys for checking out this video. We're gonna go ahead and be reacting to a new song by Misfortune that just came out. So that'll be the next video. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for all the support. We've reached 60 subs. Let's keep growing that community. And yeah, that's it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.